You understand English, but you can't speak in English. Here, what's the problem? How to fix it and how to solve the problem? Well, I think if you are thinking this problem is just for you, not as a beginner or as an English language learner, it's just the same problem for everyone. So, in this video, I will show you step by step how to solve this problem and how to properly speaking in English. So if you want to learn English confidently, boldly, so just follow me and subscribe my channel. And hey, this is Tonmoy and I am a web flow and Wix developer. So if you need any website like a pro or any bug fixing, problem solving, so you have to contact with me. I am always with you, and yes, you hire me for remote jobs. So don't worry why you don't talk in English but you understand, because in this video I will give you a powerful exercise routine about speaking in English and these tips like a pro. So let's dive in. Number 1, why you don't talk in English but you understand. This is the reality of a learning English stage. As a English learner, at first when you speak in English or if you want to speak in English but you can't, so what should you do? What should your step at first? And you have to do this something is that you have to listen podcast every day, because when you listen podcast every day, it gonna change your pronunciation, your articulation, your utter. So from today, you have to take a decision, or consistently you have to listen podcast, and then you reading books. Well, how to fix it? And you always think as an English learner, yes, it may be my wrong or it may be my problem. No, brother, it's same. This is for me as an English learner. When I am practice my English, sometimes I am stunned. I don't speak in English because when I'm trying to translate any sentence in native English language, I don't create any sentence. This is my problem, and it's not a big problem. It's just the same problem, you and me. But here is the consistent things, or consistent or disciplined thought is that you have to practice every day. When you practice your English every day, it's gonna change automatically. The outcome will come organically or ultimately in you. So this is start your journey, and then think 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, every day you check your improvements, every day you check your pronunciation. Okay, so number 2 step. Right now I think you understand first step. Number 2 step is that when you realize that really am I good at or fit at this thing, is that sometimes you maybe get despaired or anxiety. I'm not talking about that, because as an English learner we are getting a fear. So yeah, it's the same problem. We are all because we are a human. Number 2 step is that when you listen podcast, create a shadow techniques. So what is the shadow techniques? Yes, this techniques is help for improving your English. Okay, when you listen podcast or reading books or watch any movie, but as though I don't prefer a movie, because I always prefer podcast, and you lot of information get from podcast. So that's another topic. Okay, so yes, create a shadow techniques. Shadow technique means when you listen a podcast, I think, just guess me when I practice in my video and you watch my video. So just copy me. I think this copy me. Why I am practicing my English, my gesture, my talking about, my attitude, my fluency, my articulate, just copy me where I'm said. It just not said that it's wrong or it may be my mistake. Just copy me, and what I am saying, what I am doing in my video every day, just copy me, and one day you will get a massive success. So if this video, I'm always try like this me. Then number 3, create a mirror. Yes, every day in mirror you talk about yourself, not any others. Just give an introduction about yourself. In morning, what you do, what you like, what you eat, what you want to be in your life. Just in briefly showcase your introduction with yourself and in front of your camera. That gonna help for improving your English. It's just a very good habit when you introduction with yourself. So it calls think in English. Yes, our mind is organically full of a lot of things, and the writer said in books, I think right now I don't know the name of the books or writer name, but I always say or listen. The writer said that 21,000 thoughts in every minute our minds think that. So can you believe that? What is the big achievement of our thoughts, of our heads? So you always try, and you know that habituate is a discipline, habituate is a consistency. When you consistently you practice that, you get a lot of information, you get your intention, your desirable things, what you want to be, what you like to do. Now think in English for improving your English or speaking your English. Yes, as a native language speaker, I don't know what is your country, but as a native English language speaker, you always think your original country's language. But right now you have to skip that. Yes, you have to skip that and practice. Just think in English. Whatever you do, whatever you like, whatever you want to say in front of your camera, in your audience, just say English. It right or mistake, it wrong or it may be don't matching a sentence what you say, what you want to say. So yes, think in English, whatever you want to say. So right now you see that yes, there are a lot of paddy fields, I think paddies, and this color is like yellow shadow, and here are some onion trees. So like this type of sentence you making where you see in front of you, like you see that there is a sky, there is a bamboo trees, and there is rivers, here the water is going in the ocean. So this type of sentence you making in every day, you make a easy sentence. This sentence creates help you more creating sentence. Okay, so when you try to make sentence every day this type of, so you get a benefit, you get a massive result for improving your English. So this is gonna help you, this is gonna change your way how to practice. And yes, you know that I always practice my English, and this type of video I upload my YouTube channel, my LinkedIn. So if you are interested this type of video, like this video, subscribe my channel. Or if you have any question or if you need any service like Wix, Webflow, you know that I am a Wix and Webflow developer, so I can handle your any problem like Webflow or Wix. So yeah, undoubtedly you can contact with me, I am always with you. At the ending of the part of my video, I say that stay focused, be focused, and try to speak in English. Right now speak is a weapon. And yes, so in briefly, in the end of the part of my video, I always say that create a shadow technique. I think you understand or you don't understand, so watch the video till the end. And number 2, think in English. Yes, it's very important for improving your English, and think English. Don't translate native English language, just think in English. Number 3, in mirror, I think at your home you just practice your English. It gonna sentence maybe right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Just say about yourself, just say about your introduction, what you want, what you about your say. So be lucky, be focused, be motivated, stay good, we will come again.